In this video, you're gonna learn about the color target image, a component inside the theme management system in DoozyUI. Let's go. The color target image does exactly what its name implies. It changes the color of a target image. And I'm gonna add a image right here. And I want to change the color target depending on what active variant for my target theme is. What exactly is that? Well, we go to Tools, Doozy, Control Panel, and here in the Themes tab, I have three themes: Another Theme, General, and My Theme. For this particular example, I'm going to use the Another Theme, and here I have three variants: 1, 2, 3. They can also be light, dark, and whatever. And I want to change the color of this image. So this one. I'm going to add a component, and I can add a color target in two ways. I can go to Add Component, Doozy, Themes, Targets, Color Target Image, or I can simply write color, and you will see color target image right here. I have a selected theme, and I can have my theme, and I'm going to use these. As you can see, the color changes when the active variant changes, dark, fire, and light. And you can see the variant name. Or I can select another theme, and again, I can select what color I want to use. As you can see, it changes. And when I change the active variant, it also changes. And that's basically it. You also have one more option. You can overwrite the alpha value. So let's say I want to have a 50% alpha. Whenever we change the color, it will preserve this alpha value. So let's create another image so you can see the difference. And here I'm not going to use override alpha. And when I change the colors, you can see that the alpha value is preserved. All right, you can also change this at runtime by using a theme node. And here I have three theme nodes that change the variant. So here I have variant 1 for the target theme, Another Theme, variant 2, and variant 3. And of course, they're linked to these buttons via a graph. So let's enter play mode. And I say 1, 2, 3. And this works at runtime. 1, as you can see, 2. These are just portal nodes, and 3. And that's it for the color target image. Thank you.